What is cloud computing? As we gaze up at the night sky filled with billions of stars, each star a distant sun, possibly harboring planets like our own. In this vast universe, we've begun to explore a new frontier: cloud computing. Imagine a place where data, like stardust, is stored not in the familiar confines of your computer, but in a vast network of servers. This is the cloud. Cloud computing is like renting space in the digital cosmos. Instead of owning and maintaining your own servers, you access computing power, storage, and applications over the internet. It's like having a virtual data center at your fingertips, accessible from anywhere in the world. This allows individuals and businesses to escape the gravitational pull of physical hardware. They can scale their operations without the need for massive data centers, much like a star system expanding its reach across the galaxy. Section 2. Data integrity, a cosmic concern. Just as the laws of physics govern the cosmos, ensuring the accuracy and consistency of data is paramount in the cloud. This is where data integrity comes in. Imagine a single error in the star charts used for interstellar navigation. The consequences could be catastrophic. Data integrity ensures that your data remains unchanged and reliable throughout its journey in the cloud. It means that your data is protected from unauthorized modification, deletion, or corruption. Just as we rely on the predictable movements of celestial bodies, we rely on the integrity of our data for everything from financial transactions to medical records. In the digital cosmos, data integrity is not a given. It requires constant vigilance and a multifaceted approach to safeguard against errors, malicious attacks, and even hardware failures. Section 3. Guardians of the Cloud, ensuring data integrity. To protect the sanctity of data in the cloud, a constellation of methods and technologies work in unison. These guardians of the cloud employ a variety of techniques, each playing a crucial role in maintaining data integrity. One such guardian is data encryption. Imagine encrypting messages sent between starships, making them indecipherable to any unintended recipients. Encryption scrambles data, making it unreadable without the correct decryption keys. This ensures that even if data is intercepted, it remains unintelligible. Another guardian is data replication. Just as celestial bodies have backups in the form of moons and neighboring planets, data in the cloud is often replicated across multiple servers. If one server fails, the data remains accessible and intact on other servers, ensuring continuity and resilience. Checksums and hash functions act as cosmic auditors, verifying the integrity of data. These functions generate unique signatures for data like a fingerprint. Any alteration, no matter how small, will result in a different signature, immediately signaling a potential breach of integrity. Section 4. Integrity, the cornerstone of trust. In the vast expanse of the cloud, trust is paramount. Just as we trust the laws of physics to govern the universe, we must be able to trust that our data is handled with the utmost care and integrity. When we store our information, our memories, our digital lives in the cloud, we are placing our trust in the providers and the technologies that safeguard it. Data integrity is the bedrock upon which this trust is built. Without it, the cloud becomes a chaotic nebula, a breeding ground for doubt and uncertainty. When we know our data is protected, when we are confident in its accuracy and reliability, we can fully embrace the transformative power of cloud computing. Trust in the digital realm is fragile, easily shattered by breaches and failures. Maintaining data integrity is not just a technical necessity, it is an ethical imperative. Section 5. Real-world implications. When data integrity crumbles. The consequences of data integrity failures can be far-reaching, impacting individuals and organizations on a cosmic scale. Imagine a spacecraft relying on corrupted navigation data. The results could be catastrophic. In the financial sector, inaccurate data could lead to erroneous transactions, wreaking havoc on markets and economies. Medical records, tampered with or compromised, could have life-altering consequences for patients. Even seemingly minor data errors can cascade into major problems, eroding trust and causing irreparable damage. Data breaches and cyber attacks pose constant threats to data integrity. Malicious actors are constantly seeking to exploit vulnerabilities, aiming to steal, alter, or destroy sensitive information. The ramifications of such attacks can be devastating, leading to financial losses, reputational damage, and even legal repercussions. Section 6. Cloud Computing Integrity, a Shared Responsibility. Maintaining data integrity in the cloud is not solely the responsibility of cloud providers. While they play a crucial role in implementing security measures and ensuring the reliability of their infrastructure, users also have a part to play in this cosmic dance of data protection. Just as astronauts undergo rigorous training before venturing into space, users must educate themselves about cloud security best practices. This includes using strong passwords, being wary of phishing attempts, and keeping software up to date. Regularly backing up data is akin to having a backup spacecraft ready to go in case of an emergency. By creating copies of their data and storing them in separate locations, users can mitigate the impact of data loss due to hardware failures, accidental deletions, or malicious attacks. Ultimately, maintaining data integrity in the cloud is a shared responsibility, a partnership between providers and users. By working together, we can ensure that the cloud remains a secure and trustworthy environment for innovation, collaboration, and progress.